Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this white and gold jagged French tip. If you like nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, I'm going to be applying a base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using OPI Alpine Snow. I'm going to be doing 2 coats of that. So mid-manicure, I'm having to change my plans. You may see a little bit of damage to the tips of my nails, and that's because what I was planning did not work out. So we're actually having a change of plan, and the change of plan is going to involve Great from the original China Glaze OMG collection. I'm going to add a little bit of that out on my lid here. And then with a medium, smallish to medium brush, I'm going to apply that as kind of a jagged French tip on my nails. Finally, I'm going to finish off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I guess I would say I'm satisfied with this. If this tutorial seemed a little bit scattered, it's because this was not the original plan. And if you would like to see the start and failure of the original plan, you can check out the live stream. That'll be uploaded here on YouTube on Monday. But I was really struggling. This was kind of a backup plan, and I like how it turned out, but I don't like that it wasn't my original plan. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope after editing I can make the tutorial make sense. This is one of the colors from the original OMG collection, so it's unfortunately not available anymore, but you can use a plain gold or a different gold holo if you prefer. I'd love to hear what you think about this down in the comments, and as always, thanks for watching.